So basically I was having this problem of Google stopped working appearing on my screen when I was using my phone. So let's see how to fix this issue. So guys, if such a problem of Google has stopped working is happening in your device, so what you need to do is just at first go to settings. Okay, after going to settings, just go to your apps. Yeah, in apps just look at Google. Okay, you have opened Google. So here you will see somewhere in uninstall updates. So here it is, uninstall updates. Just click on uninstall updates and click on OK. It will uninstall the updates. Okay, and it is done. So what I need to do now is just go to Play Store, and in Play Store I'm going to open my apps. Here it is, and I'm just going to update Google. See, I'll just go to updates available, and here it is Google. I'll just update it, and let it be updated, and this will fix your problem. And if this tool does not fix your problem, then this may be occurring due to different apps such as Google Chrome. Just locate Chrome. Mainly it occurs due to all the Google apps, and mainly due to this Google search option. And if uninstalling and reinstalling that does not fix the problem, just go to Google Chrome and just uninstall updates and then update it again, and it will surely fix your device. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you will support me by subscribing to the channel and liking this video. Bye.